Sonu is measuring some of his body parts. The length of Sonu's lower arm is 27 by 10 units and that of his upper arm is 36 by 10 units. What is the total length of his arm? That is, we have to add the upper arm units and lower arm units. So 2 7 by 10 plus 3 6 by 10, which can be written sorting the units in one side and tenth in other sides. So 2 plus 3 plus 7 by 10 plus 6 by 10, that can be written as 2 plus 3 plus we can add 7 plus 6, so 13 by 10, and the answer will be 5 plus 13 by 10. That is, the 13 by 10 can be written as uh, 10 by 10 plus 3 by 10. So 10 by 10, which is 1 unit. So 5 plus 1 plus 3 by 10, that is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus 3 by 10, that can be written in 6 3 by 10 units. This can be done in another way. We just adding the numbers 2 7 by 10 and 3 6 by 10. 2 plus 3, that is 5, and here the 7 by 10 plus 6 by 10, that is 13 by 10. That can be written as 5 plus 13 can be written as 10 by 10 plus 3 by 10. 10 by 10 is 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 3 by 10, which is equal to 6 3 by 10. Or we can convert both the numbers in tens and then add. That is, 2 7 by 10 can be written as 27 by 10 plus 3 6 by 10 can be written as 36 by 10. So 63 by 10, that is 63 by 10, which is equal to 60 by 10 plus 3 by 10. 60 by 10 is 6 units and 3 by 10 units. So the answer will be 6 3 by 10 units. Here is a question. The length of the body parts of a honeybee are given. Find its total length. So the head is 2 3 by 10 units. Thorax is 5 4 by 10 units. Abdomen is 7 5 by 10 units. So we have to add the 3 units. We can do it in 3 other different ways. So first method is adding the units first. So 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus the 10th part, which is 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 10. So 2 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. 3 plus 4, which is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 by 10 will be in tens. So the answer will be 14 plus, here the 12 can be written as 10 by 10 plus 2 by 10. So that is equal to 14 plus 10 by 10, which is 1 unit, plus 2 by 10. So we can write 15 2 by 10 is the total units. 2 3 by 10 units can be written as 23 by 10, and 5 4 by 10 is written as 54 by 10. and 5 by 10 is written as 75 by 10, and adding the 3 units, 23 by 10 plus 54 by 10 plus 75 by 10, which is equal to 23 plus 54 plus 75 divided by 10, that is equal to 13 plus 2 is 15 divided by 10, that we can write 15 2 by 10 units. When we doing the calculations in both ways, the answer will be same. Next we have the question, length of Shailaja's hand is 12 4 by 10 units and her palm is 6 7 by 10 units as shown in the picture. What is the length of the longest middle finger? That is the length of the middle finger, that we can find by subtracting the total units minus the arm units, the palm units. So we can do it by 12 4 by 10 minus 6 7 by 10, that we can write 12 plus 4 by 10 minus 6 plus 7 by 10. When we open the bracket here, the negative sign will be changed the terms in the bracket, so it will become opposite sign of 6 will be minus 6, and 7 by 10 will be minus 7 by 10. Arrange the terms, 12 minus 6 plus 4 by 10 minus 7 by 10, that is equal to 6 minus 3 by 10. 4 minus 7 is minus 3, so 6 minus 3 by 10 we got. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1, so the 5 plus 1 can be written as 10 by 10, so we can easily subtract 10 minus 3. So the answer will be 5 plus 7 by 10, that is equal to 5 7 by 10 units. In another method, we just subtracting the numbers. Here the 7 by 10 cannot be subtracted from 4 by 10. So we can split the 12 into 11 plus 1. 1 can be written as 10 by 10. So the fraction will be 11 and 14 by 10. That is 12 4 by 10 can be written as 11 plus 1 can be written as 10 by 10 plus 4 by 10. So we can add the numerators, 10 plus 4. So 14 by 10. So 12 4 by 10 can be written as 11 4 by 14 by 10. Next we just subtracting 6 7 by 10, 11 14 by 10 minus 6 7 by 10 is equal to 11 minus 6, which is 5, and 14 minus 7 is 7 by 10. So the answer will be 5 7 by 10 units. There is a question. The celestial pearl Danio's length is 2 4 by 10 centimeter and the length of the Philippine goby is 9 by 10 centimeter. What is the difference in their lengths? So 2 4 by 10 can be written as 24 by 10, and another length is 9 by 10. Subtracting we get 24 by 10 minus 9 by 10, that is equal to 15 by 10, that is equal to the 15 can be written as 10 plus 5, so it is 10 by 10 plus 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 plus 5 by 10, that is 1 5 by 10 units or centimeter. Difference between their lengths. Observe the given sequence of numbers, identify the change after each term and extend the pattern. So first number is 4 and the second number is 4 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 is the difference. Now adding 3 by 10 to this number, we'll get 4 6 by 10. So the next number will be 4 6 by 10 plus 3 by 10, that is equal to 4 9 by 10, and the next number will be 4 9 by 10 plus 3 by 10, that is equal to 4 12 by 10, that can be written as 5 2 by 10. Next we adding 5 2 by 10 by 3 by 10, so the answer will be 5 5 by 10, and next 5 5 by 10 plus 3 by 10, that is equal to 5 8 by 10. Here the number is 8 2 by 10 and 8 7 by 10. So the difference is 7 by 10 minus 2 by 10, which is equal to 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 is the difference. So adding 9 2 by 10 plus 5 by 10, we get 9 7 by 10. Next we have to add 9 7 by 10 by 5 by 10, that is equal to 9 12 by 10. 12 by 10 can be written as 1 2 by 10. So the answer will be 10 2 by 10. Next 10 2 by 10 plus 5 by 10, that is equal to 10 7 by 10. Next number is 10 7 by 10 plus 5 by 10, that is equal to 10 12 by 10, that can be written as 11 2 by 10. Next question, 7 6 by 10 and 8 7 by 10. So we subtracting 8 7 by 10 minus 7 6 by 10. 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 by 10 minus 6 by 10, which is 1 by 10. So the difference is 1 1 by 10. So adding 8 7 by 10 plus 1 1 by 10, which is equal to 9 7 plus 1, which is 8 by 10. So the answer is 9 8 by 10. Next we have to add 9 8 by 10 by 1 1 by 10. So the answer is 10 9 by 10. Next 10 9 by 10 plus 1 1 by 10, which is equal to 11 10 by 10. 10 by 10 can be written as 1. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 is the answer. Next 12 plus 1 by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 10, that is equal to 12 plus 1 plus 1 by 10. So the answer will be 13 1 by 10. The next number is 5 3 by 10 minus 5 7 by 10, which is equal to 5 minus 5 0 plus 3 by 10 minus 7 by 10, which is minus 4 by 10. So the difference is minus 4 by 10. That is, we subtracting 4 by 10 from the previous number. 5 3 by 10, subtracting 4 by 10, we get, for that we can write 5 3 by 10 as 53 by 10 minus 4 by 10, that is equal to 49 by 10, and we can write it as 4 9 by 10. Next, 4 9 by 10 minus 4 by 10, that can be written as 49 by 10 minus 4 by 10, that is equal to 45 by 10, that is 4 5 by 10. Next number is 4 5 by 10 minus 4 by 10, that is equal to 4 1 by 10. So the answer is 4 1 by 10. Next, 4 1 by 10 minus 4 by 10. 4 1 by 10 can be written as 41 by 10 minus 4 by 10, that is equal to 37 by 10. So the answer is 37 by 10. Next we have 13 5 by 10. Next number is 13. So 5 by 10 is the difference, which is subtracting from 13 5 by 10, we get 13, and subtracting 5 by 10 from 13, we get 12 5 by 10. So next we have to subtract 12 5 by 10 minus 5 by 10. So the answer will be 12. Next, 12 minus 5 by 10, that will be 11 5 by 10. So the answer is 11 5 by 10. Again subtracting 5 by 10, the answer will be 11. And subtracting 5 by 10, from 11 we get 10 5 by 10. Next number 11 5 by 10 and 10 4 by 10, 9 3 by 10. So subtracting the adjacent terms, that is 10 4 by 10 minus the first term is 11 5 by 10. We get 10 minus 11 minus 1. 4 by 10 minus 5 by 10, which is minus 1 by 10. That can be written as minus 1 1 by 10. So taking the last number 9 3 by 10 minus 1 1 by 10, that is equal to 9 minus 1 8. Answer is 8 2 by 10. Next, 8 2 by 10 minus 1 1 by 10. So the answer will be 8 minus 1 7. 2 by 10 minus 1 by 10 is 1 by 10. Next, 7 1 by 10 minus 1 1 by 10. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 and 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10, which is 0. So the answer is 6. Next we have to find 6 minus 1 by 10. So 6 can be written as 60 by 10 minus 1 by 10 can be written as 11 by 10. So the answer will be 49 by 10, that is 4 9 by 10.